You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no one's between.
Hello friends, how are you all? Hope all are doing great. In this video, I am going to share with you a significant makeover of a dining hall on a very small budget. I have aimed to create an elegant, calm, soothing and aesthetically pleasing look for the hall where all family members can gather for meals. I guarantee that you will find plenty of DIYs and styling ideas in this video. Please stay tuned until the end for a truly aesthetically pleasing transformation on a budget. So come friends, let's begin the makeover. I have divided the hall into two sections, one with a grey and white color theme and the other with brown and yellow shades. This sofa cover was purchased online and the quality is quite good. But as the sofa is from one of the local shops, there is slight variation in the size. It's manageable by using a large cushion to cover the wrinkles. I'm changing the side table's color to match the overall color theme. I'm using oil paint as the surface is very smooth. Any stencil can be used to create design. Then I made a simple DIY pot by pasting macrame thread. I'll be showing you a few DIY projects that can give a modern and aesthetic look to your space. I took a foam sheet, folded it and cut it into leaf shape, obtaining 4 leaves at a time. I used a glue gun to create thick veins and attached them to a stick. Afterwards, I spray painted them. It's a low cost and elegant DIY, isn't it? Now let me share another easy DIY using a small MDF board, bamboo skewers, wooden spoons and mirrors. This resulted in a beautiful wall hanging. We always use this low height table for sitting on the floor and enjoying our meals. Always organizing items in groups of 3 enhances its appeal. I also wanted to showcase an oil painting I did back in high school, which is dated 21 years ago. Isn't it a great idea for hanging? This pot holder is another DIY which I'll be sharing with you in the coming videos. Old broken lamps bulb holder. Adding green plants adds a lively and fresh touch. This tea set is from Vietnam. You can check the link in the description. I used a Cora cloth for an aesthetic finish. I also created a simple chair cover by cutting a square shape and stitching 2 sides, making it resemble like a bag. You can check out my DIY table runner and candle stand videos as well. I changed the flower to match the color palette, and I recommended grouping items in 3 for a cohesive look. These bamboo plates can be used as hot pads. "22 years ago, I created these pencil sketches purely out of passion, without attending any formal classes. Now, please enjoy the final look of my makeover. I have put in my best effort to create a calm, soothing, and aesthetic atmosphere. I hope you liked the video, and please feel free to let me know in the comment section which DIY project or part of the video you liked the most. Your comments and likes are my motivation to create more videos. Thank you for watching and stay happy. Bye bye.